Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So, looking at the weekly chart, it is falling off a cliff. Let me just put it that way. Uh, if we just glance over this chart, this could be a crappy but potential head, shoulder, head. I don't think it's quite there, but it could be. So, we are in some trouble. So let's just draw some fibs and see what can we get out of here. So I'm going to use the top of week of April 12 of 21. So I'm using a fib extension. And let's see what the fib extension tells us. And then I'm using, the bottom of June 21st of 21, and then the top of November 8 of 21. So looking at this fibs, we're going to 23. I really don't think the 28 is going to hold, and let me tell you why I don't think it's 28 is going to hold. I am seeing tons and tons and tons of people on Twitter saying that the 30,000, 28,000 is a great level to buy, that it's not going to go any lower. However, guess what happens when everyone and their grandmother load up in the same spot? That means that unless they're diamond hands, which most of them aren't, they're going to set stops right underneath. And if you have a ton of stops here, the market, especially the crypto market, has a tendency of blowing through the stops. So that means that we're going to create an avalanche, and the avalanche is going to go all the way down to 23. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video or get anything useful, make sure you recommend one friend to the channel. I will be posting every other day or so, unless it's like today that everything is falling off a cliff. And don't forget to pulverize that like button. Do the channel a favor, that way other people can get useful information like you are. So that being said, let's just get back to this video. So we're going to get an avalanche of stops. And I think the 23 level is a solid level, 23.4, but since we're in crypto, this is probably going to overextend to the 21,000 because you got that 200-day moving average on the weekly chart there, and since we're right there, we'll extend to the 20,000. Now, this looks like a bear flag, and let me tell you how I'm coming up with that. Right there, right there, and then right here. So if I draw this, very ghetto, but just like that. Ooh, right there. So that puts us at the 23.4. So this is why I think we're going lower. If we break and we hold the weekly below this, basically 20,000. I know that everyone's gonna say no, but I'm gonna say that we're going to 11,000 again. That's a 161% extension from this 3 fib extension. And then, I've been sitting on the sidelines for a while, sitting on cash, just wait to buy cheaper. I have very little in crypto right now. For the longest time, basically since December, since the Fed started saying that they changed the wording and then they were going to do the rate hikes. Then remember, also Bullard said today, that's one of the Fed presidents, that they want the Fed's funds rate to be 3.5 by the end of the year. It's currently 1. And then we have, 6 meetings, I think? There's 5 more rate hikes, basically. Or 5 meetings, I can't remember. So that means that they're going to raise 50 basis points in every single meeting. So, and if the S&P takes a toll, Bitcoin is going to take a toll. So just keep that in mind. Let's just look at the daily chart. Here's your daily chart. I mean, this looks bearish. Very, very, very bearish. So if you have a lot of, crypto unless you're like diamond hands, I would be sitting on the stand lines. And I know that you could say that RSI is oversold, but look, stuff, the market can be crazy more than you can stay solvent. So just keep that in mind, guys. I just want you guys to be aware of that. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button and send one friend to the channel. And if you guys want new coins that you guys want me to look at, just put them down in the description below. Thanks again, guys.